It is, it's burping. Okay then. Holy cow, that's a nice spider web. Did you see that? You know, you didn't see it. All the way in the east. See that one? 30 plus miles away and we're seeing that. I wonder if I can see that on video. Facing to the east now. It's really small. Oh man. On the camera. Holy. I didn't say cow because I didn't want the cows to freak out.
It's still raining a little bit out here?
Sprinkling a little bit, yeah. A little bit more than it was earlier. Huh. Looks like I gotta go a little bit more southeast now because it's moving on. Sticking your head out the window. Dude, that is freaking cool all the way in the east. Well, that's nice. I haven't seen the lightning in a little while.
Yeah, that's why I've ended.
It was still pretty active after you ended, though. I got a few good ones. Usually when I say that, it starts up again. Oh, there we go. What?
And I'm gonna do.
Oh. Yeah, that cow's trying to break loose. Yeah.
What do you think I'm
Well, this will be a fun story to tell your mom and dad tomorrow morning.
Actually, when I get home.
We watched what they're going to still be up. You think?
Probably, it's only 11.
It's about 11:10 now.
No, it's actually only 11.
It was about 11 when we got here. That cow's creeping me out. It's rubbing all the way against the
11
fence.
o'clock, exactly.
Well then, I think the Jeep time's on my mom's work.
It's kind of off for a bit.
Yeah, she doesn't have her work time because they use a different clock, I guess. It's making weird squeaky noises with the fence. Oh, that was cool.
That was a nice bolt.
Yeah, 30 plus miles away. It looked pretty nice here. I wonder what it was like all the way over there. Oh man, spider web. You gotta love you some spider
It's the
web.
same storm we just got done seeing.
That's insane. Ooh. Radio towers in the distance. That could be 113's actually. That would have been pretty cool to see it get struck behind me. Well, look at that. They're coming to a clearing here soon. And this lightning's going to be pushed off to the east as well. You can almost see the moon again. Whoa.